Welcome back, students of 6th class. You all are welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. Friends, this video lecture is going to very important, friends, because friends, in the previous video lecture we had discussed of about some applications related to linear equation in one variable. So, and we solved question number 1 to 11 of exercise 9C, chapter number 9, linear equation in one variable. This is class 6. Okay. So afterwards we will solve some questions from question number 12. So from starting here, now these questions a little bit difficult than the previous. So friends, keep watching this video lecture till the end. Okay, so let's get started. Here, as you can see on the board, friends, the question number 12 says Reena is 6 years older than her brother Ajay. If the sum of their ages is 28 years, what are their present ages? Friends, first we are going to figure out with the help of this statement. The first statement says Reena is 6 years older. What does it mean, friends? Older means अधिक, means रीना जो है वो अपने भाई अजय से 6 साल पुरानी है. That means उम्र में 6 साल बड़ी है. ओके, उसके बाद कह रहा है इन दोनों की एज का सम मतलब जोड़, वो क्या है? 28 है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट let us consider the required ages. Let Ajay's age, first Ajay's present age of Ajay is equal to, friends, x year. Okay, present age of, let the present age of Ajay x years and present age of Reena, friends, Reena x प्लस 6 वाई. फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि रीना जो है वो 6 साल बड़ी है, 6 साल ओल्डर है अपने भाई से. 6 साल ओल्डर का मतलब, फ्रेंड्स, 6 साल पुरानी है, मीन्स 6 साल उसकी उम्र बड़ी है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, इफ देयर द सम ऑफ देयर एजेस मीन्स Ajay's age and the Reena's age. Now, according to the question, second statement says, friends, x plus sum of these ages, x plus 6 gives us, friends, this is 28. Now solve the sums, friends. Here x plus x, this is 2x, friends, and this is plus, or either you bring this plus 6 to the right hand side, negative sign. Okay, minus 6. So this 2x as it is, friends. This is 22. Now x becomes, friends, 22 divided by 2. Hence we can say x is equal to 11. So what about 11, friends? X is equal to 11 means the age of Ajay. Ajay's age x. Hence we can say Ajay's present age of Ajay x is equal to 11 years. This is the first answer. And now the present age of Reena, this is x plus 6, friends. So this is, put the value of x, 11 plus 6 becomes, friends, 17 years. Now 11 and 17 years, these are the two answers which are required. Now see, friends, question number 13 says Deepak is twice as old as his brother Vikas. If the difference of their ages be 11 years, find their present ages. Friends, we will move fast, friends. Now see the same question as here. This is the similar type of questions, but here is the 2 times older. Okay, now see friends, first of all consider the brother Vikas is present age of Vikas. Here Vikas present age. Vikas, let consider, let Vikas present age. Vikas is a present age, friends, X year. Okay, now see Deepak, because Deepak is older than Vikas, friends. Deepak's present age is equal to, friends, now Deepak is twice as old as his brother. दीपक क्या है, वो अपने भाई के जितना भाई की उम्र है उसी क्या वो डबल है, मतलब 2x है तो ये क्या है 2x, फ्रेंड्स. सो दिस इज द ईयर्स. Now according to the question, friends, question says that means Deepak is older than his brother Vikas. Okay, if the difference of their ages means, friends, find the difference. Difference means हमेशा छोटे को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं बड़े से, तो बड़ा एज क्या है, फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज 2x. ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन 2x माइनस दिस इज x, so this is equal to 11. Says the difference, friends, 2x minus x, the difference between their ages is 11. Now 2x minus 1x, this is only x, is equal to 11. Now the age of the Vikas, friends, the present age of Vikas, x. This is the first answer. On the second answer is the Deepak's age, friends. Deepak's present age, friends, 2x is equal to, that means now, friends, here Deepak's present age 2x is equal to 2 as it is, friends. The value of x is equal to 11, to 11 to the 22 years. So, friends, there are two answers. The Deepak's present age 22 and the Vikas present age 11. So 11 years and 22 years are both the answers of their required ages. Now see, friends, next question, and the question says, question number 14 says, Mrs. Goel is 27 years older than her daughter Rekha. After 8 years, she will be twice as old as Rekha. Find their present ages. Let us consider, friends, present age of Rekha x year, then the present age of Goel, because, friend, Goel is the mother. Okay, because the Goel is 27 years older than his, means we have to add 27 to Rekha's age, friends, becomes the age, present age of the Mrs. Goel. Okay, of Mrs. Goel. So now, friends, and the next statement says 8 years, after 8 years. So these two ages are the present ages of Rekha and Goel respectively, friends. Okay, now after, first find the age after 8 years. After 8 years means, remember, after 8 years means, that means we have to add 8 years to the present age of Rekha and Goel as well. Okay, so the Rekha's age is equal to x plus 8, and Mrs. Goel's, that means Goel's age is equal to 8 plus 27 plus 8. So this is 8 plus 35. Okay, now at last, according to the question, and the question says after 8 years she will be twice as old as Rekha. C comes for, friends, C comes for, here C comes for Mrs. Goel. That means we can say the Mrs. Goel will be twice as old as Rekha. So this is the age of the Mrs. Goel. Now x plus 35 is the age of Mrs. Goel after 8 years becomes is equal to two times of Rekha's age, which is after 8 years. Okay, multiply by this is Rekha's age is after 8 is this x plus 8. Now solve this sum, friends. This is x plus 35 as it is. Now to multiply by x, here 2x, because this is plus and plus, plus into plus plus and plus into plus, 2 8 ja, this is 16. Now so press bring all the x terms together, means this is 2x as it is, your x as it is, bring this 2x to the left hand side with the negative sign, minus 2x, and this is 16 as it is. Now bring plus 35 to the right hand side with the negative sign, minus 35. So friends, x minus 2x, that means minus 2 is subtracted from x, becomes minus x is equal to 16 minus 35. One is positive and another is negative, means we have to subtract the greater from smaller from greater. So this is 35 में से अगर 16 जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा? This is no 15. This is 19. Minus 19, friends, because the greater value has negative sign, so the answer will be in negative. So minus minus will get cancelled. Hence we can say x is equal to 90. What about 90, friends? X is equal to, have a look. Here x is the Rekha's present age. We can say the Rekha's present age x is equal to 90 years. So this is the first answer. Now the next answer is we have to find the present age of Mrs. Goel. So Mrs. Goel present age is x plus 25. Now after raising here, so Mrs. Goel's present age x plus 27. Here the x, the value of x is 19 and plus 27. After adding, and we got as 43 is the present age of Mrs. Goel. So the two answers are 19 years and 42 years. These two are answer this question. Now come to the next question, friends. Question number 15 says, a man has 4 times as old as his son. After 16 years, he will be only twice as old as his son. Find their present ages. So this question is as the previous question. Means these are the similar type of book. Now see, friends, how we can approach the answer. Here a man 4 times as old as his son. कह रहा है कि एक आदमी जो है वो अपने बेटे से कितनी 4 टाइम्स अधिक उम्र में बड़ा है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट फाइन सपोज फ्रेंड्स, लेट अस कंसीडर, लेट पहले हिंदी से क्वेश्चन समझते हैं. अ मैन इज़ 4 टाइम्स, एक आदमी है जो 4 गुनी है किसके एज से? अपने बेटे की एज से 4 गुनी है. ओके, नाउ सेकंड, आफ्टर 16 ईयर्स, 16 साल के बाद, ही विल बी ओनली ट्वाइस, 16 साल के बाद वो सिर्फ दुगना हो जाएगा, अपने बेटे से दुगनी उम्र का हो जाएगा. कौन? डेट मीन्स उसके फादर, अ मैन. देन फाइंड देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस, फ्रेंड्स. और सिंपल फ्रेंड्स, 16 साल के बाद उसकी उम्र बढ़ेगी. उम्र सिर्फ अमाइन की नहीं, फादर की नहीं, बल्कि दोनों बेटे और फादर दोनों की उम्र बढ़ेगी 16 साल के बाद. ओके, तो फर्स्ट कंसीडर कर लेंगे. लेट अस कंसीडर द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन. प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन, x year, friends. Okay, x years. Now the next, a man is, here is the man, that means if you think about the sense, that means it should be father, but man है तो man ही लिखेंगे. Now present is age of a man, that means man, is equal to 4 times of x. फ्रेंड्स, कह रहा है कि a man की जो उम्र है उसके बेटे से, अपने बेटे से कितने? 4 गुनी, तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. दिस इज द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ मैन. नाउ आफ्टर वी विल फाइंड आफ्टर 16 years, फ्रेंड्स. इफ वी ऐड आफ्टर, इफ वी से द आफ्टर 16 years, दैट मीन्स द सन एज विल इंक्रीज्ड बाय 16 एंड एज वेल एज द मैन एज आल्सो इंक्रीज बाय 16. मतलब दोनों की उम्र 16 से बढ़ जाएगी. सो हेंस वी कैन से दिस सन्स एज, सन्स मतलब SON, सन्स मतलब बेटे की उम्र, सन्स एज इज इक्वल टू फ्रेंड्स एक्स प्लस 16, क्योंकि 16 साल के बाद इसकी उम्र तो बढ़ेगी, इसीलिए ऐड करना होगा। एंड नो द मैन एज फ्रेंड्स, मैंस एज आदमी की उम्र, मैं इसके फादर की 4x इसकी थी, अब प्लस यहाँ पे 16 ऐड कर देंगे। ओके, इसकी उम्र के साथ जो भी उम्र है उसमें 60 ऐड कर देंगे, 16 ये। अब ना फ्रेंड द स्टेटमेंट विल बी कंबाइंड फ्रॉम हेयर इज दैट विल बी ओनली ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड, दिस ही विल he comes friends for a man, ये man के लिए ही आया, that means father, he will be twice, now according to the question he will be twice, he friends this ये ही है, he, so let's he will be twice, now write the his उम्र means 4x plus 16 will be means equal to twice, 2 times of as his son, 2 times of this son की उम्र x plus 16। यहाँ पे एक चीज़ क्लियर करना चाहूँगा, 16 साल के बाद की ये जो रिलेशन फ्रेंड्स, द गिवन इज दिस रिलेशन इज, दिस इज द गिवन रिलेशन आफ्टर फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, दिस गिवन रिलेशन इज गोइंग टू बी अप्रोच फ्रॉम आफ्टर 16 ईयर्स, 16 साल के बाद की ये रिलेशन हो। ओके, दिस इज वाई वी हैव टू राइट द रिलेशंस आफ्टर 16 ईयर्स। नाउ फ्रेंड्स 4x as it is 4x plus 16 as it is 2 multiply 2x friends, and this is 16 to the 32. Now friends have a look, 4x as it is bring 2x negative sign here minus 2x, 32 as it is friend bring plus 16 to the left and the minus 16. So here friends to 4x minus 2x, this is 2x is equal to friends, and this is 16. Okay, now friends 2 to x is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to friends 8, because 2 8 ja 16. So what about x friends, because the x is the present age of the son, hence we can say the son's present age mean the present age of son 8 years. Then afterwards we will find the present age of a man, the present age of a man friends आप लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, the present age of a man is equal to 4x. So 4x means 4 multiply by friends here 4x, that means 4 multiply by this is 4 and the value of x is 8 friends, this is 32 years. So the first answer is friends 8 years, which is the age present age of the son, and the second answer is 32, which is the present age of a man means whose father. Okay, I hope you will be clear. Now next, now see friends, here question number 16, last question says a man is twice as old as his son. 5 years ago the man was 4 times as old as his son, find their ages. Now friends it means why you are going to solve this question means we got 2 ideas. First on the behalf of the words like ago or before, suppose the question said in and the words which is written inside this statement type of questions is ago or before, means ago means we have to subtract the age from the present. Okay, and after means we have to add the age to the present age. Okay, now ago मीन्स क्या होता है पहले फ्रेंड्स, और फ्रॉम मतलब भी क्या होता है पहले, ये दोनों वर्ड अगर कहीं होगा एगो मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करना उम्र को, और फ्रॉम भी रहेगा तो वहाँ भी क्या होगा एज को आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा, और अगर आफ्टर रहेगा आफ्टर या लेटर, ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या ऐड करेंगे। नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, एक आदमी है जो क्या है वो ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड, अपने बेटे की उम्र का डबल है, मतलब दुगना है, डेट मीन्स ये फादर है जो भी है अपने बेटे का। फिर कह रहा है कि 5 years ago मतलब 5 साल पहले वही आदमी मीन्स वही फादर was 4 times, 5 साल पहले वही आदमी 4 गुना था एज ओल्ड एज अपने लड़के से, यानी अपने बेटे की उम्र से 4 गुना था वही आदमी। ओके, जो भी जिसकी प्रेजेंट एज ट्वाइस है। फाइंड देयर प्रेजेंट एडजस्टमेंट्स, वेरी सिंपल फ्रेंड्स, लेट कंसिडर द प्रेजेंट एज present प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन फ्रेंड्स, प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन इज x years. Okay, now the present age of a man, okay, a man, present age a man means here father relation, 2 times twice friend, thrice friend, sorry, thrice means 3 into x, 3 नहीं मतलब 3 गुनी। Okay, now and then now find 5 years ago, 5 years friends ago मतलब 5 साल पहले, 5 साल पहले मैं इस सन की एज फाइंड कर लूँगा और 5 साल पहले इस मैन की मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करना। 5 साल पहले तो उम्र ऑब्वियसली घटेगी, डैट मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 5 years फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन एंड द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ a man. Okay, now see friends, so now the sun's present that means sun's age is equal to, friends, this is x minus 5 years, so this is the first. Now the next, friends, a man ages before 5 years, friends, this is 3x minus 5. Okay friends, why are you going to subtract, friend? Because here is the ego means pehle means subtract. Okay, now see friends, according to the question, and the question says, friend, last statement, the 4 times as old as his son, ये relation यहाँ से बनेगा. Okay, यानी a man जो age हमारी 3x minus 5 is the age which is the man's age is क्या है, 4 times as old as his son. So here the son is the x minus 5, so 4 times x minus 5 whole multiply, friends. Now solve, this is 3x as it is, friends. 5 minus 5 as it is, 4 multiply by x, plus into plus, this is 4x, plus into minus 4 to 5 to 20, friends. Okay, this is 3x, bring the 4x negatives, and here the 3x minus 4x, friends, is equal to minus 20, bring minus 5 to the right hand side, plus 5. Now friends, this is 3x minus 5y, that's why we are going to subtract reverse order, means here the minus x and this is minus 15, this minus will get cancelled, and hence x is equal to 15. What about 15, friends? 15 is the present age of the sun. If we can say the present age of the sun is 15 years. Now the second, the present age of a man 3x, friends, that means 3 multiplied by x की value 15, 5 3 friends 45. So these are the 2 required ages of this question. Now friends, I hope you will understand, your friends. Please solve all the notebooks, prepare the notebooks very clearly, properly. If you have any doubt, questions, queries, please comment in the comment box below, and contact as well. Have a nice day.